Hi there. So if you're watching this video, chances are you've heard about the Writing Center. Maybe it was mentioned in the syllabus for one of your classes, or you've seen us on the first floor of Scarborough, but you're not quite sure how you can actually reach out to get help. So this video is going to be a quick little tutorial showing you how you can either make an appointment with us on the WC online, or you could submit your writing virtually and we can get feedback to you through email. So after you've logged into your portal page, you're going to go to the Students drop-down menu and click on Writing Center. Once you're here, you're going to see all the different ways you can get feedback from us over here on this left-hand side. Right now, I'm going to focus on number 3, using the WC Online to schedule an appointment. If you haven't already made an account through the WC Online, you're going to need to make an account. This is also the same website that we use for the CLS lab, so having an account through the WC Online is very helpful at RU. Once you've made your account, click on this schedule and log in. After logging in, you're going to see all the times that are available for the different Writing Center consultants. As you can see, right now our schedules are wide open. Nobody has made an appointment with us through the WC Online. If someone has made an appointment, the box will be blue and you won't be able to make an appointment at that time. So say I'd like to make an appointment with Jayla at 9 a.m. this Wednesday. I click on this and I would fill out this form as detailed as I possibly can. Once you fill out this form and you create an appointment, this consultant will be notified and they will be able to see the documents you submit as well as your comments. You can change how long you would like your appointment to go. If you need more than 30 minutes, just select this. I would like a whole hour with Jayla. So my appointment would be from 9 to 10 a.m. If this doesn't work for you in your schedule, if none of these times are times that you can meet, you can always submit your writing virtually, going back to our portal page and clicking here. Like the WC Online appointments, you're going to fill out this form, being as detailed as possible, and we will get an email with all this information and the documents you include. And you can expect to get feedback from us about 1 to 2 days after, business days after you have submitted your work. So just be careful. If you submit something on Friday, you might not receive feedback until Tuesday the next week. And as always, you can come walk in. If we have an appointment already, that appointment will take priority, but you're more than welcome to wait in Scarborough until that appointment is finished and then come on in and we can get started on your work. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, you can always email us or you can DM our Instagram, or always you can stop on by and say hi.